So our question today says Ashlyn rides her bike 2 miles to school and 2 miles home each day. I'm going to box that word and each day. How many total miles will Ashlyn ride her bike to school and home in 40 days? So we know that she rides her bike to school and home. So that's 1 day. This equals 1 day. So in 1 day, we know that she rides 4 miles. So it says, how many total miles will Ashlyn ride her bike to school and home? We already figured that out, in 40 days. So if this is 4 miles in each day, we need to do 40 times 4. Now we know we can box our 0. 4 times 4 is 16, and then we're going to carry our 0 to the end. So we already have our units written down at the bottom, so 160 miles. We had to put the there and home together. Let's go next one. We just had this almost exact problem before we left school. So let's take a peek. 2 figures are shown below. We have figure A and we have figure B. What is the difference in square feet between the area of figure A and the area of figure B? We know area equals length times width. Explain how you found your answer. So let's find the figure for area A. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns down, and we have 6 rows down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 across. So the area for figure A is 42 square feet. Sorry, couldn't fit that in. This is figure A. Now let's look at B. If I look at B and I look at what the original box was, if I come all the way around here, I can figure out how many boxes are missing, and that's what I'm going to do. So here I'm missing this whole square right here. So this square has 4 boxes, this square has 4 boxes, and the one on top has 4 boxes. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. That's the difference. We took out 12 of the small boxes, or 12 of the square feet, from figure A to figure B. So I could say that the difference between A and B is 12 square units. So you could also go on to be able to explain, you could say figure A has 42 square units. I could count all these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 42 minus 30 is 12. Same answer as what I originally got when I could visualize it. So, with that being said, we can now explain. You could say the area of A is 42 square feet and B is 30 square feet. So 42 minus 30 equals 12 square feet. Or you can say I just figured out how many missing boxes there were in figure B. So that's it, kiddos. Take a peek at your work, see how you did, and we will see you soon.